How to make the back plate. Open the slicing software. Click the print settings in the upper right corner and find the special modes setting. Set the SVG output offset top and bottom value. Usually the offset values for the printer and cutter are both set to -1.1. Then import the offset SVG source file. Select the line type and height. Check the export top and bottom. SVG option. Usually exported to the same location as the SVG file by default. And import. Finally, import the generated top or bottom path file, and set the relevant parameters according to your own product requirements.